Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making some lemon poppy seed cookies. And what you're going to need is a fourth of a cup of melted butter and 2 tablespoons of sugar. This is granulated sugar. And a package of lemon poppy seed muffin mix. This is a Martha White, and this is 7.6 ounces, so about that size. And we'll need 2 tablespoons of milk, and that'll be for the cookies. Now for the glaze, you'll need a cup of powdered sugar and 5 teaspoons of lemon juice. So let's put all this together and see how it all turns out. So I'll see you here shortly as we start putting this together. Okay guys, first we're going to do is put the fourth of a cup of melted butter in here. And then we're going to put in our 2 tablespoons of sugar and our 2 tablespoons of milk. And get this mixed in real good. Mixed together. Alright, so next thing we're going to do is take our lemon poppy seed muffin mix, and we're going to get it mixed in here. Let's get it good mixed in. Give it a good stir. Get a good dough mixed in here. There we go. Yes, that's good there. All right. Make sure I got that off pretty good. Alright, so there we go. Alright, so we're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes. So I'll be right back, and then we'll start working on making the cookie part of it. So I'll see you here in about 5 minutes. And while you're doing this, you might want to start putting your preheating your oven to 350. So while we're doing that, we're going to wait for this to sit for about 5 minutes. As you see, there's our dough. Alright, I'll see you in about 5 minutes. Okay guys, for our next little step, you got the cookie dough here. You got a bowl with flour and a little thing here. I'll show you what to do with that, but that's going to help us out with the cookies here. And of course I got the baking sheet with parchment on there, so we're gonna like this so I don't have to roll too much. So help me dip it out, but I'm gonna spray a little bit of cooking spray in the in here to help out with the rolling of the cookie dough. Alright, so we're gonna put these things about 2 inches apart. Well, I think about 3 in a row there. Yeah. All right. Well, then what we're gonna do is that when you get them in there, I'm gonna just press it down with the glass here to form the cookie. And it's not still kind of sticking, but not too bad. All right. So there we go. Okay, guys. There we go. All right. I'm gonna finish dipping these out, and then we'll put them in the oven and see how they all go. So I'll see you guys here shortly. Let me finish this up for you, but you see how it goes. Okay, guys, as you can see, we got these. We're gonna all done. We're gonna put ready to put in the oven. We're gonna put these in the oven for at 350 for 7 to 9 minutes, and so it should be a light brown when we're done, until the edges are light brown. So we're gonna go ahead and put these in the oven, and then we'll get them on the cooling racks and continue on with all this good stuff. All right, I'll see you guys here shortly. Okay, guys, I've pulled these out. They're cooked, baked, and I've let them cool a little bit for a few minutes on the baking sheet here, and we're just gonna take them off and put them on the cooling rack here and let them fully cool on the cooling rack. So I think I can get all of them over here. So we're gonna pull these off, and then we'll let them fully cool, and then we'll do the lemon glaze when these get fully I'll show you how to do the lemon glaze here when these get fully cooled. So I'm just gonna finish taking these off. Whoop. All right, but these smell so good right now. I'm so tempted to just go ahead and eat one, but I'm not. We're gonna let these cool, and so we'll let these cool, and then I'll show you how to do the lemon glaze. So see you guys here shortly. Okay, guys, for our next step, we're putting the glaze. These cookies are cool. So what we're gonna do is do our little powdered sugar. And we can do this real easily here. Sift the powdered sugar and make sure the big lumps are not in there. There we go. Yeah. Alright, put that last little bit in there. Okay. whisk in there and go around there. There we go. Alright, that'll be good enough for that. Alright, so we're gonna take the whisk and put in our 5 teaspoons of lemon juice. And we're just gonna get it whisk it around in here. Alright, this is our lemon glaze. There we go. Yeah. Okay, guys, and we're just gonna take it and drizzle this on the cookies. I ain't gonna get real fancy and stuff. I'm just gonna kind of drizzle on each cookie here. Alright, this looks so good. First, make sure I get a little bit on each cookie, then I'll go over it and make sure I use up all the rest of it here. Alright. Well, that about did all of it right there. So I got some on all the cookies. Alright. So, here we go. You can do a little bit fancier job on the glaze than I did, but that is going to be good right there. Alright. So, I'm going to let the glaze sit for a little bit, and then we will do the little taste and stuff. So, alright. So here we go, guys. We'll see you here in a little bit. Okay, guys. Here's our cookies. Now I'm going to give these a little test and see how they go. These are so good. They smelled good when I was baking them. As you can see, they're really easy to make. The glaze went really good. I didn't get too fancy. Just kind of sprawled it on there. But you can do a better job at being fancy if you like. But alright, well, let's give this a try here. My gosh, this is so good. A little bit crunchy, but it's still got a little chewy taste, just like how I like cookies. They haven't been out too long. And then you got the lemon flavor, especially from the lemon glaze. Excuse me. And oh, it's so good. Give me some milk with these later on. Oh man. Boy, with that lemon glaze on these, is just the lemon flavor just pops. So, okay guys, these are the lemon poppy seed cookies. I enjoyed making these. It tastes really good, real easy to make, as you can see. So if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up on this video. Take time to comment below, and if you'd like to catch other cooking videos like this, subscribe to my channel. I try to get one out on Saturday. Occasionally I miss and get it out on a different day, like this one, since this one's coming out Sunday evening. Okay guys, well, you can also catch my other videos as well. I do some taste test videos and some sightseeing and adventure videos, so I should be getting some more of those out here shortly as well. And guys, I want you to enjoy the day the Lord has given you. I'm going to finish eating a couple of these cookies, and then I'll see you guys later. So, alright, so here we go.